Okay, we've got a Hotpoint washing machine, and what's happened is the customer's taken out the soap drawer to clean, and unfortunately it's not gone back correctly, so we have to dismantle it and refit it, and hopefully that will be sorted. Twist it so we have to remove it and try it. I can see it's selecting. It's all stuck here as well. If you can see in there, the soap powder is collected in this corner, so we need to clean that. Remove it.
Very fragile, really.
They are very.
You know.
Should be okay.
You have to clip them in anyway.
That's it. Okay, now we've refitted it, cleaned it all, cleaned the soap housing, and now it shuts nicely. Perfect. Job done.
I called out Brassets today to mend my washing machine that I've just broken apart, and they came very promptly. They're very polite, very good, and they've done the job very, very quickly in the kitchen.